Hello, Shafetti family. Ever looked at a skincare label and seen squalene with an E or squalene with an A and thought, what in the slippery science is that? Today we're breaking down what they are, how they're different, and why your skin is obsessed with both. Let's get glossy. Let's start with squalene with an E. Squalene is a lipid that naturally occurs in your skin sebum. It helps lock in moisture, supports your skin barrier, and gives that smooth, dewy glow. But there's a catch. Squalene with an E is unstable and can go rancid if used in raw products. Originally, squalene with an E was harvested from shark liver. Yikes. But thankfully, today we have plant-based squalene from olives, rice bran, sugarcane, and wheat germ. Squalene with an A is the hydrogenated version of squalene with an E. That small change makes it way more stable. It doesn't oxidize, it has a longer shelf life, and it absorbs beautifully into the skin without a residue. It mimics your skin's natural oils, making it great for all skin types, even oily and acne-prone skin. Here's why squalene with an A would be used in a skincare product. It deeply moisturizes without clogging pores, providing hydration. It helps heal dry, irritated, damaged skin. It's non-comedogenic and super safe, even for sensitive skin. Squalene with an A is plant-based and sustainable. So you'll find squalene with an A in facial oils, body butters, creams. Apply it to damp skin to seal in hydration. So the next time someone asks you, what's the difference between squalene with an E and squalene with an A? You can confidently say, squalene with an E is natural but unstable, and squalene with an A is stable, effective, and your skin's BFF. Drop a heart in the comments if you're team squalene A, and tag a friend who needs this skin science in their life. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Shufetti Suds, where your skincare is made with intention, education, and a little. Don't forget to go to our website and pick up our digital download that has a list of 11 ingredient suppliers, 19 fragrance suppliers, and 14 packaging suppliers. We've done all the work so you don't have to. Grab your copy now and take the first steps towards becoming a skincare formulation expert.